Hey, how's it going, you guys? Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. On this video, you're going to see what's inside a DVD player. This DVD player that I'm going to be opening up is a Philips DVD video player that we used to use in the apartment here. It stopped working on us, so it's going to go out to recycling or we're going to dump it off into the bins. And I thought, you know what, this would be a cool segment to do as a playlist of just what's inside everyday objects that we use. I've already gone ahead and taken the screws out of it just because there's way too many, and it would have taken a long time to get that done. So the screws are off. I'm going to turn the camera around, and we'll pop the lid off, and I'll show you guys what's inside, what it looks like inside. All right? All right, so I've taken the lid off, I've already taken, like I said, I already took the screws out of it. So this is the front, like this is where you would put the DVD and slide it in. We were having some problems with the door. It didn't want to close all the way. But as you can see, there's like see the little thing in there. It must be there's just a little bit of a motor or something in here. Pretty cool. And then this is where the laser is, the laser reader. And then at the back, there's all the audio cables, which is upside down. So we got your audio left, right, TV components, all that good stuff. And then your power button and everything is at the front. This is the main, this one here was the main electrical panel. So this is what you'd plug into the outlet. That's what gives it the power. I didn't realize what this was called, so Kathy had told me this is a circuit board. I was under the impression it's a motherboard, but that just shows you how much I know. I don't know anything about what's inside these things, but I assumed it would be cool to take it apart and show you guys what it looks like in here. So it's got all these things that are all attached in there. They all probably serve some sort of purpose. But like I said, I am not an electrician. I have no idea. But it's just pretty cool to see what's inside these things. Because normally people wouldn't even check the inside. They would just toss it. So take the screws off and look at the inside of it. It's pretty neat. So this all comes off. These all come out. So it's actually pretty cool in here. But yeah. Thought I'd show you guys this video. Show you guys the inside. And there's the laser. Like I said, that's the laser reader in here. Obviously, this didn't come out, but I could probably take this all apart if I really wanted to, but I thought I would just take the top off and show you guys what it looked like on the top. Or with the top off, sorry. So, I just thought this was pretty cool. It's got all these gadgets in here. It's not plugged in, so that's a good sign. It's got all these numbers and codes. It's just crazy to see how this would be built and how they all have to match up and stuff. So, but I thought I would just show you guys quickly what's the inside of a standard DVD player. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel and you want to see more of what's inside. If you want to see what else we can open up, I've got leave me a comment if you want to. That'd be great. It helps the channel grow. Commenting and interacting with you guys would be awesome. Until the next adventure, we'll show you guys what else we have to open up, because we probably have some stuff that's going to be going in the trash because we're going to be doing spring cleaning. So if you guys want to see some more what's inside videos, definitely hit the subscribe button, and I'll be glad enough to bring you guys some when we get some. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like it, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. All right. Bye for now, everybody.